Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners and students, welcome all of you. Today, we are going to start our B-Lift number 30. And I also remind you that I'm your English instructor, Kashif Mahmood. So, let's move to the B-Lift, that is B-Lift number 30, and try to understand what the B-Lift is conveying us. So, analyze how particular elements of a story or drama interact, how setting shapes the characters or plot. So, this belief can be applied on reading and writing as well, but particularly at this time, we are applying this during reading. Analyze how particular elements of a story or drama interact, how they used interactively, connectively, how setting shapes the characters or plot. What are the characters, what is plot, and what are the characters, what is setting. This is what we are going to know about. Okay, I know and I hope you have done your bridging very efficiently in the class with the help of your teacher, and you have also seen the right meaning of the bridging. Now, we have reached at the focus. Yes, building a great story, how the pieces fit together. Yes, when we want to write a story or when we want to read a story, we have to put together some pieces to understand it properly. So let's try to understand these pieces. Yes, look at this. Every story has three main pieces. If we see this is our story, it can be completed by the help of three factors or three pieces. First one is called characters. Without characters, story cannot be completed. People in the story are called the characters. And then setting. Setting means place and time. What type of time and what type of places you are used for writing the story, that is called your setting. And what is plot? Plot means what happens, all the actions come in the plot. So look at this, all parts of a story work together to make a story. When these all parts work together, then a full story becomes. A story in a village will be different from a story in a city. It means that setting counts a lot. Now move ahead. Where and when changes everything. Look at this. What is setting? Setting is based on place plus time. Setting changes behavior and events. This is very clear. You have to be clear in your mind. The setting can change the behavior and events as well. Look at these two examples. The first setting is here and the second setting is here. This is the setting of classroom and this is the setting of a forest. So the setting have changed the entire environment. Now in this setting, the character is feeling scared, and in this setting the student and the character is feeling what? Study and learn. So we can learn that setting can change the behavior and events. This is very important. Look ahead. Choices move the story forward. Yes, choices move the story forward. Characters make decisions. Their actions create the plot. Yes, if we want to move the story, we have to make the decision through the characters and we have to create action through the characters. And when the characters move ahead, the plot will automatically be created. Yes, look at this. Fights danger. This is the character and the character is showing an action. Fights in danger, saves the day. And look at this, this is the character here, does not study, fails in school. So we can say that the actions decide the plot. Yes, now move ahead. The pieces connect the build to building the plot. The simple formula, setting plus characters plus then is equal to plot. Yes, setting and characters when combined together, the plot automatically be constructed. He tries to find home. Look at this. In a stormy night, a boy feels scared and he tries to find a home. These are the interconnected things. Look at this. This is the setting, this is the character, and what plot can be automatically constructed by the action of the what? By the combination of the setting and characters. Understand story elements. Explain how setting, characters, and plot interact. Answer questions about the story structures. So, dear learners, this is all about our today's lecture about the story construction. I hope you have done your formative check efficiently and you also have done with homework, and I hope, dear students, in the end, thank you so much, and I hope you have understood the concept of the story. What are the characters, what is setting, and what is plot, and how they are fit together to complete the story. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.